Okay, so a really quick video. Remember that one app that I reviewed about a few weeks ago called Peakage? So this app pretty much pays you for answering yes or no questions. It pretty much takes about 10 seconds a day, and as long as you guys keep doing it every single day, you guys will get paid. Now with that being said, if you guys haven't already downloaded it, link will be in the description. Basically guys, you guys helped me out to get to a cash out so I could actually make this video for you guys. What you guys did was use my link and I got a few thousand points, which boosted me enough, just enough guys, to actually grab a $10 gift card to Esso. And now yes, I don't actually own a personal card just quite yet, but I was like, guys, I have to make this video. I can't just wait until I get a $25 gift card because that would take way too long. So I decided to get that Esso gift card, offer my dad some free gas, and we went to the gas station, filled up $10 worth, went up to the cashier, and I used the actual code from Peakage. Hi, I was actually gonna fuel up at pump 8.
We are good. Thank you.
And to my surprise, it actually worked. It actually went through, guys. The gift card went through, and what happened next was pretty much we got free $10 worth of gas. And so Peakage, if you guys don't already have this app downloaded, it's legit. You guys should check it out. It's very simple to use. In fact, I believe if you want to go through that little bit of hassle, you guys could put it on your entire phone farm if you want. But I'm currently only using this on my personal device, both available on Android and iOS if you guys don't already know. With that being said, thank you guys so much for staying around. Subscribe if you haven't already, and check out the full review of Peakage if you haven't already seen that. So with that being said, I'll see you guys over there. Thanks so very much for watching. Peace out for now.